Want to learn English faster? Here's how. Do you want to learn English quickly? Do you want to speak with confidence? Today, I will help you improve your English. I have 10 amazing tips for you. These tips are simple and easy, perfect for beginners. Keep watching, you will find these tips very helpful. Let's start learning together. Tip 1. Don't worry about being perfect. Nobody is perfect. The goal is to be understood, not perfect. Everyone makes mistakes, even in their own language. Mistakes help you learn and improve. For example, people who speak Spanish, Italian, French, or Chinese also make mistakes. But they still communicate. If you say, "I go to the store yesterday," it's not 100% correct, but people understand you went to the store. Later, you will learn the correct word is went. So, don't be afraid of mistakes. The more you speak, the better you get. Relax and enjoy speaking English. Tip 2. Try shadowing, copy native speakers. Shadowing is a fun and powerful way to improve your English. It means listening to a speaker and repeating what they say, like their shadow. Find a short video, podcast, or song in English. Listen carefully. Repeat the words right after the speaker. Copy their words, speed, and pronunciation. If you do this every day, even for a few minutes, your fluency and pronunciation will improve a lot. Tip 3. Create stories with new words. Learning new words. Use them in a fun story. For example, if you learn cat, happy, and play, make a short story. Once upon a time, there was a happy cat. The cat loved to play with a red ball. Writing stories helps you remember words faster. You can also tell your stories to a friend. Short stories work too. Just have fun and be creative. Tip 4. Stay relaxed. When you relax, your brain works better. When you're nervous, it's hard to think. Take deep breaths before speaking. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Practice with friends who support you. Speak slowly and clearly, no need to rush. Enjoy learning. Make English fun and stress-free. Tip 5. Talk with others. Speaking with people helps you improve faster. Find friends who also want to learn English. Meet regularly and speak only in English. Choose fun topics like movies, hobbies, or food. Be patient and help each other. The goal is to practice speaking and listening. Don't worry about mistakes, just talk and have fun. Tip 6. Practice real-life conversations, role-playing. Want to feel more confident in real situations? Act them out. Find a partner, friend or family member. Choose a situation, ordering food, booking a hotel, asking for directions. Practice the conversation and switch roles. Example. Hello. I'd like to book a hotel room. Sure. What dates do you need? This prepares you for real-life conversations and helps you speak naturally. Tip 7. Explain things in your own words, paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means explaining something in a different way. Read a short article or listen to a story. Try to explain it in your own words. Don't worry about perfect grammar, focus on meaning. For example, if you read about a dog saving a child, you can say, "I read a story about a brave dog. It helped save a child in danger." This improves your vocabulary and speaking skills. Tip 8. Make your sentences longer, expansion technique. Want to speak better? Add more details. Start simple. I have a cat. Expand it. I have a small black cat. Make it even better. I have a small black cat that loves to play with a red ball. This helps you think in English and describe things better. Write your expanded sentences in a notebook to track your progress. Tip 9. Be confident. Confidence is the key to learning English. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Practice speaking every day, talk to yourself if needed. Focus on what you can do, not what you can't. Don't compare yourself to others, everyone learns at their own speed. Use positive words like, I am improving every day. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Tip 10. Switch speaking roles. Practice switching between asking and answering questions. Example. What's your favorite food? Pizza. I love it because it's delicious. Then switch. What's your favorite hobby? I enjoy painting, it's relaxing. This helps you get better at both listening and speaking. It makes English practice fun and interactive. You can learn English. Improving English takes time and practice, but you can do it. Did you know many people learn English on their own? You don't need a teacher. Want to learn fun and easy ways to practice English at home? Watch my next video. You'll get amazing tips and tricks to improve your English every day. Subscribe to Best English Stories for more fun English learning tips.